subscribe, and then turn the notification on to get notified about every new lesson which I upload in this channel every day. Merhaba and welcome back to a new lesson in Turkish language with Language Animated channel. In this video we will learn months of the year. Very short video, watch fully and learn the months today. Okay? So let's start. I. It means month. And if you want to say months, then you can say aylar. Aylar. I will start from the first month. Obviously, everyone starts from the first month. What's the difference between them and me? Anyways, to say year, in Turkish you will say yıl. Yıl. Yıl. And the plural form is yıllar. Yıllar. Yıllar. So, it means years. Ocak. Ocak. January. Şubat. Şubat. February. Mart. Mart. March. Nisan. Nisan. Nisan. April.
Mayıs. Mayıs.
May. Haziran. Haziran. June. Temmuz. Temmuz. July. Ağustos. Ağustos. Ağustos. August. Eylül. Eylül. Eylül. September. Ekim. Ekim. Ekim. October.
Kasım. Kasım. Kasım.
November. Aralık. Aralık. December. These were the months of the year and the year itself. I hope this video will get almost 100 likes. If it crosses 100 likes, then I will bring a special kind of lessons in Turkish language which will move you to the next level. So be sure to like this video and share with others, and also subscribe for more Turkish lessons. And it's all free, you know it. Thanks for watching. İzlediğiniz için teşekkür ederim.